entering it. Taylor? Taylor? Where is she? Her shoes. That's all that's left of her. No. Taylor! Where are you? Echo. Taylor, where are you? Doon, doon. Doon, doon. She's not there. What's this? A message. It says, Taylor, playing hide and seek. Find her now. Oh yeah, that's a lot. Yeah, that's a lot of info. That helps a million. She's not in the mirror. She's not in that mirror. Taylor, yell back if I'm close. Oh, damn. I was hoping she would. I lost Taylor. I think I should end it and like just give up finding her, should I? Yes, I should. I won't. I'm not gonna like that. She'll smack me if I don't run. Yell back. Yell back. Is this a note? It says, Dear viewers, that's you. If you're wondering why I can't find Taylor, well, it's because she wants to make video interesting. Well, you know what, Taylor? I can't find you. I really can't. Okay, Brooklyn's back. Alright. Okay. So, I'm in a room, and it's locked. Let's look outside. Oh, she's in the Garden of Dreams. No, this is our adventure garden where we found them. What's that? Feet? Feet?
Ah! What? I was sleeping. You were sleeping too, weren't you? I thought
I was.
I thought we were going to take a nap. Whoops.
Well, you putting the rug over there didn't really help now, did it?
Sorry, didn't want you to find me.
That makes sense.
Yeah.